What's up, guys? It's Sugar! I just back on another video. No, we're not on the phone. My best friend this video. Today we're making a slime with this and all whatever we have. So these are my ingredients. I'm just gonna put this over here for extra under. Alright, so we're gonna be making it in here because it's like it feels right to make it in here. Anyway, just stay tuned, let it game. I'm about to set up the camera. Peace out. Stay tuned, let it game. So they have instructions under here. Hold up. Okay, so oh, what's this? Okay, it's stuck. Alright, so we're gonna sit this down here. We're gonna read some instructions. Okay. Instructions here. Stay tuned. So guys, step 1, you have to unpack all ingredients. I'm unpacking them. Oh. So we have this. We have to unpack all ingredients. Oh, I'm putting it in here like I'm not supposed to use that. And I gotta unpack all ingredients. Hopefully. Oh, okay, that's already unpacked, hopefully. Maybe this is not unpacked. Maybe the glue still got the thing on it. I'm just taking a while, I guess. Alright, this unpacked already. I'm just looking at stuff that's need to be unpacked. Let's see, need to be unpacked. Yeah, better yep. Oh, ooh, I'm glad that it's all over the bed. Oh gosh. Horrible. This is horrible. I gotta change the sheet now. Oh god. Okay. Guys, it's a heck of a lot. Oh my gosh. What am I supposed to do? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. Please. Yeah, this is stupid. I'm trying to put this. Alright, I got some in. I don't even know why I needed that, but I just need to get it out of my bed. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, this is an epic fail. And I haven't even put nothing in yet. Well, I only put glue in. Literally, I'm not even done reading the instructions. I read one thing on the instructions. Just stay tuned, guys, while I get this straight. I have everything under control. So we have this glue that costs so much trouble. And we're just gonna put it in here. I might save some because I just need it. I need glue. So make slime. So I'm just gonna set this right here. Step 2, pour entire glue container into your mix bowl. Oh, entire? Well, I'm just going to listen to this instructions because... Shut up! I'm making a video. All right. And I'm going to pour this entire thing in, I guess. Guess that's the same. And I got it all over the bed. So... I'm pouring all this in. Just stay tuned to go in. So guys, I got all this in. I'm gonna mix the glue just so it can have better texture. I gotta get it around the bowl. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Next thing, pour 1 bag of oil into the glue. Mix them. Into the glue, mix them. So, next ingredient is I need scissors. Tamir,
what's up?
You open this? Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Glue. Don't waste it.
I don't know how to open it. Use some scissors.
She tried one time. Oh, I don't know how to open. So, I got it open. And the ingredients told me to pour it in there. I poured the whole bag in and mix them together. We gotta mix good. I don't actually know what I'm gonna put after them, come on. But I think I got a container for it.
Get some shirts.
Come on, shut up, bro.
I'm trying to have a
all right. 4, drop the color into the bowl. You may add more if you want deeper color. They better have a good color. What the color is?
Asian.
So I just go add a blue. All right, so I'm gonna save a little. Bro. Okay, guys, we gotta mix. I like this color actually. So I think I was down here, so I gotta see next. Mix your purple glitter. Yes, they do got glitter. I don't really want glitter in mine, but I'm gonna add glitter. Bro, I cannot open it. I don't want to wipe it on my pants. I should have grabbed something. Okay. So we just go add tad glitter, few spots. Y'all might not can't see my face, but bro, my hands keep watering up. I just leave it like this. Hopefully it don't waste. Alright. And I'm gonna mix this in. Ooh, it look pretty. I might add all of it in. I gotta mix fast because I want to get it in fast. I ain't gonna lie, this slime look mighty good. I got a little more in. I don't really want to add all of it, but I did because it started to look very good and I started to want more glitter. Actually look prettier now. Kinda getting ugly, but kinda still pretty. So I'm mixing for a little bit. Take 2 minutes. So it's kind of getting bigger actually. Because the more ingredients, the bigger it gets. And it's actually beautiful. Y'all might can't see, but ooh, it actually look clumpy. I like it how it look. Alright, so next thing, add the contact solution in 2/3 drops. While stirring, mix into thick. Alright, so okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, this is how much they told me to add. I would have added more, y'all. Oh, it's actually. Oh, I can't believe it's actually coming out, guys. Y'all probably can't see nothing. Alright, come on. So I'm trying to mix fast. So next thing, play with the slime until it is no longer sticky. If the slime is still sticky, you may add some more drops of contact solution. It looks sticky. It's not even forming, guys. It actually looks good though. Oh, it's not even forming, guys. Gotta add some more. Bro, can't even see it. Okay, I'm gonna add just 3 drops again. Cause this stuff works fast, so hopefully it's not the eye contact solution that you use for your eyes. No, it's not even. I need a lot more. So, alright, so I'm trying to mix very fast so it can come out, but bro, oh my gosh, they need a lot more. Dang, I put a lot. Oh man, oh, it's coming now, guys, it's coming now. Actually, y'all don't know how beautiful the slime is. Alright, so I'm going to mix me up. Hey. Bro. Ooh. Alright, so I gotta add some more because it's still not forming. Yeah, I think you need the whole thing. Bro. Best read. Oh. Okay. Bro, oh. It is so sticky. Guys, say some. Y'all missed this whole thing I had just said and everything. I was literally talking or whatever. Oh God. Alright, so I'm trying to. Bro, why is it so sticky? Bro. I'm trying to get this off my hands, so. I don't know why. I need some actual activator, guys. So I'm gonna go get some. So gotta stay tuned. Bro. Hey guys. Ooh. So I got some of my own activator. I think I should let it dry out because I was gone for a little bit to wash my hands, and it kind of formed. So yes, I added the light. You don't know how much this needs. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Okay, so actually, no, it's not. It's actually becoming worse. I think. Actually, it's coming better. Okay. Oh. Alright, so it's officially, I just gotta mix it up, and just like the paper said. But if y'all ever buy this, I prefer actual, what it's called, actual, Tide. You need Tide for this, by the way. The stuff that it comes with, it works, but don't forms. If it formed for you, great, you got it to work. It did not form for me, so I had to do a little something, add my own texture ingredients. So yeah, I'm just mixing this stuff and getting it all in. As you can tell, it's coming off the edges, so which means it needs a little tad more, but so far it's done. So far. But it's not done all the way. This is the little corner of, I'm trying to get it off this other paper. Bro, I'm trying to get this stuff up, and it's just, bro, I'm just gonna keep it open. I don't know why, but I keep getting stuck on my hand. Oh, I know why. It's sticky. So, it's also a big slime. Stay tuned. So, when I hit this in, it's gonna be done. So, I'm gonna put some in. And yes, I am putting a whole bunch because I need a whole bunch. Hopefully it don't ruin the slime. I like my slime to be a little hard, but not that stiff and hard. Just like it a little hard. So it should be almost ready. Yes, I love slime. If you was wondering, do she like slime? Yes. Actually, the slime got uglier as we went on. I like moon blue and sky blue. So, yo, I really love this. I just can't believe. Bro. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix. This is the finishing product. I'm gonna show y'all the finishing touches. I'm gonna show y'all how the slime is. This slime is a jiggly slime, guys, and I like jiggly slimes. I prefer this slime, guys. This is I usually buy Starbucks slime a lot. Not a lot, but sometimes, and when I do, it be sticky, y'all. I'm telling y'all might can't see my whole face, but then y'all can see my mouth because y'all gotta see what I'm talking about. Anyways, so every time I put some more in there, it gets jigglier. So, and these are one of them slimes that's very fluffy and stuff, and you put it in a thing and it farts. Well, every slime farts if you put it in a thingy, the little thing. Bro, I love this slime so much. Yo, I swear, this is one of the slimes I'm gonna be playing with when I'm bored. Y'all be bored so much, I be forgetting I even had slime. Like, people don't even post on YouTube these days anymore. Alright. Oh, get it, girl, get it, girl, get it, girl, get it, girl. So, this is the end of the video. Actually, close to the end. It's been a lot of time making slime. The glue wasted on my bed when it first started. Actually, I think half of that's the reason it didn't work, probably, because half of that glue fell on the bed. Like literally half. And no. So, yeah, I watch TV. I actually like this slime very much. So, this slime is very good. It's very schnocky. I call it schnocky. Schnocky. So, I should have did a Q&A with this video, but I haven't done too many Q&As. So I'm gonna add some more activator because it seems to work, but it's not seeming to work anymore. I'm gonna add a lot, but that's kind of gonna be the waste of my time, or waste of activator actually. Maybe if it dry out, it's gonna get hard. I should have thought of that. Okay, guys, it actually is working. Oh, cold. So, it's still jiggly and juicy looking. Like, what I mean by juicy is like, it just like falls out your hand. See? If y'all can see how that looks. going slower now, but whoa. And actually, I think that make it jiggly and wetter. And so, guys, I'm about to show you what it all could do on the table. So, yeah. I might do some more videos with my best friend. I have her YouTube channel in the description. So guys, that's almost the end of the video. Let me collect some more. I hope this is not what making it juicier. It looks like it. I don't care, actually. I just regret putting more because I actually feel good at first. And still do. Hold up. I'm trying to. Let me go show you what it can do some more at the table. So guys, this is the slime. It got glitter in it. Let me scoot my chair back. I got it all over the bed and all over my pants and all everywhere. What a sheet. Oh, that was wrong. Right. Listen. Y'all, the TV on, but they had one more from yesterday. Well, I don't know. No. Yeah. I like looking at the glitter. Deep freezer. The small one, not the big deep freezer. Y'all, we have 2 deep freezers. And they only got 1 more bag of pizza rolls. They keep eating them all. I know, like, I didn't even get 2 plates. On the first pack. Ooh, let's see if I can make a bubble over it. Ooh, Daddy, look. Look. It's gonna fall. It fell. So, it still got a little bubble. I want to pop it, so. Oh, I just popped this one. So, thank you for watching this video. Y'all probably want to see more of me making slime or see more of slime. Oh, this is the, actually it's kind of still a little, it's like a snail. Yeah, it's like a snail. A big juicy snail that moves around, just watery. Ah. No hands. Oh. So y'all got this little bubble here. It actually had 3 bubbles. Ah. So first I'm gonna do some more bubbles. Then that's in today's video. Go ahead and get this to 1,000 likes. Just get to a lot of likes. It don't have to be 1,000, but by the end of this year we need 1,000. on every video. I mean, bro, and we need some more subscribers. Like, y'all been lagging and haven't been liking my videos, but I did get a lot of views. Not a lot, but I got a lot of views, and I had posted like 3 minutes ago that day, which was yesterday. When y'all see this video, is gonna be. Luckily, it didn't land on no trash because it's small. I could have just threw it away, but y'all, this is I messed it up. Ooh. Y'all, my hair is a mess today. I don't really like popping bubbles like that because it get on my hand. So, this is our last part of this video. Bro. So guys, I'm gonna pop some more bubbles. Cause yeah, y'all can see me. And we have a party we're gonna have a little party, a mini party. Cause y'all know how people be like, we having a party for getting 2K subscribers. So we having a party for having 34 subscribers. Y'all probably like, that's just a little. Also, this one is getting hard, so I might put it up quick. I think I actually accidentally put too much activator. I actually knew this was gonna happen. Yeah, I don't remember. I was like, it's gonna get hard if I add more. I said, oh, I got a paper cut looking. That paper just cutted me. So I bet it was a paper cut. First, breathe. Ooh. So.
Hello? Hey. Okay, let me get them up so we can make sure we bring it.
So, this is the end of this video, guys. Go ahead and get this to, bro, I don't know, 1,000 maybe likes by the end of this year. I don't care how long it takes, but it has to take at least by the end of this year. I'm quitting YouTube. Y'all. I gotta quit YouTube, y'all. No, I'm quitting YouTube. It's over. It's over. Like, I ain't quitting YouTube until I get 1 million. Then I'm gonna take a break from. I'm gonna quit YouTube, but then I'm gonna come back and surprise. Just like, that'll be in a long time when I hit 1 million. Whew. I hope not. And I hope, well, if I said I hope, then I have to wait like 2 days. Hi. I had started doing skits on TikTok, but stopped because I forgot about them. Don't look at me. I got a life. Y'all the one who was scrolling on TikTok, not doing nothing all day, but scrolling on TikTok. Y'all, I would say this video is sponsored by Zen. You need to download Zen. It is the best app. It's just like TikTok, so if TikTok go away, you know where to hit the app Zen. This video is promoted by Zen. or whatever. So this is gonna be the last part of the video. It's gonna be the last. Then y'all see, so go ahead and leave a comment what we should do next. If I should do more videos with my best friend or my mom. Then go ahead, comment, whatever. No hate. Like, smash that bell. Smash the like button, and then hit that little bell so y'all can get all my post notifications so see when I post. Go ahead and subscribe, so y'all can see my content and stuff. Or share this video to your friends and family, to your everybody. Just everybody. Everything. Every social media, everything. And whatever. And then stay tuned for the next video. Peace out, ladies.